Say Yasaba back here trying come on so high Adom TV Badwam on Adom TV so. But make us this is the last Monday for the month of October. Onyame de church na a fresh new month. You be so grateful to trade upon Yakopon say or the Adjei. Non kono pepepe EPJ mo wan say ma bi etimi ato so one. But make us Daniel ni Kwatai Titus Glover atnase. Kaneno Emrashe Badwam whatever is say a deputy minister Kaneno for transport. All about Kwaba. Memo Kwaba no ye can come be quickly and sani abai and come upon so na fe ehuni awo platform bia wetin nkan oso bia no adanse obi edi papa ne mo say papa we nsu nyuna e fa no e chen so hye bigidi se by now mo amowo Amenfi Central ma oni pa American asemi nimnyafo eye Peter Kwachi Aka, or a marine engineer, and also member of parliament on the ticket of the ruling, ruling. Opposition National Democratic Congress. I'm a Central MP, Peter Kwachi Aka. Oh, good. That was a quickly. Another more time. I'm going to say, never be brave. It was beautiful. Say your customs and traditions, say you uphold some of these things. So significance there. For 3 days or so, it's been on the quiet, no work, movement allowed, have your fun, but restricted in terms of a Juma EBB and a year you can say offices are here koko. And ECG can you do 3-4 hours back to now. It's beautiful, but people need to understand why it's happening. Because the part of Dona we come no munchasi medasi ko medasi maminchia wa shop na me chia so me brother colleague honorable Aka. It's all about yehinia odani benkum so ni aje kraku osonga aje kraku otosumino. February, I think 20th or 23rd of 2020. Oh, okay.
Na
2020.
Yeah, 2 years and 10 months money away. In the African and Shishano, traditional cancer nebusia of free mono, kukurichawe. Na normally once a traditional ye basia, a mamlene, a mania ye. Yedi. Be quine said ya, ye bet to me a dish and so dear my. Them say, Uquadano, any a moon, a di backroom. But traditionally, no one's a bunny say ya, ye was a bibia in the open. It was sumasia, ye tradition. I mean, these are done all over, said the winnie war, come of us over the year. And the money bar Wednesday and a joke. Sabrina, ye dum cania. Committee 1, Committee 2, I think Committee 5 or Kakra, Committee 4, a shy man. Areas are tema traditional council no, and 9 a warning in ano. Na almost had the two just say Yawada no fiada any memenda ma yembi shops. You are the first moment all in the spirit of trying to make sure say. Yina ebeyano timemfo no edi omu bedeng ebehiem na eba ne se ya enga culture no ye oyini kese bi se ya asafofo no bakrum to raise awareness na de eba ne say na bad boys edi hu akoyem no mo ye niama emfata enti eba ne se enti mo bia nton ade se dia bad boys no on form wedding enkohiem se bibi a wa ne bibi kakra o ton ne bibia no na akofa bibi boni bi dia ba. And the entras one, mobia and beer shops, ma obi and kojum, yenye bibia anton, see on the unity. Mimidano, it was a colorful watch, Ubershare near J. Krakow Sports Complex on
Facebook.
It was a delight, said ya, and Beda, it was a fuss, you ever dying for no so I free chilling ben changing a buy, Yabashe, chilling or not Boajali Blanksing. President to me about, and he was my deputy chief of staff. Carlos from Brazil. And in penny for me who NDC, my big brother, regional chairman, the Koka, my big brother, Nia Machete, former regional minister, MP for Kolekloti, and the most successful MP, MCE, and Watama. Maybe I also come. But women days you be see acting queen mother so. And also that from engine a mache to me. Or ye Progress Party. Ye women organizer. Sabe no na ashama my constituency no. Sabe ni enchiche musidia. Yes enchiche mu. Enti also that from one. Nyame Adom ya wadai ye de munu beba krum. Na fiada no ya dida no. E wona je fie. Na enti Africa.
Yeah, what day in me?
Yeah, what day me? But Friday, and you better done. You better find the moon by free morgan. Abba Thursday, not Friday near the done. No memory done so. Yeah, you know. Mammy called prison after the General Champo coup, January 13, 1969. At the time, not all nursing the bar 6 months old child. You know, someone for almost over 8 months.
Wow.
Because of politics in that idea. So she has really suffered and sacrificed for her development of her tradition. And in Nyame Adom ene ye de me kobusen fie ye de adaka no e de ko mebusia na ya ye jije nyina for.
So that's Thursday,
Friday. I think Queen Mother and former women organizer of the Progress Party.
Oh, okay.
69 to 1972.
Okay, good. What's that kind of hot work there?
I'm not doing it.
Conference will be a.
Oh, yeah, we constituency elections. And your age say, Oma, ye mean ye, Omi Lucy, ye na ye Pabako. They should all come together. Okay. Now you move a constituency forward for next elections. Ye Babajia could be free. Meaning titles no one some.
Okay.
I mean, Chiano. Michia Ubia so. Naminchia regional executives. Chairman Natuku and Charles Adufo Addo, Deputy Secretary, CC Operational Co organizer. Me urge on say, I want to say, as we remember your party, your constituency, or more to asama catcher on say, almost say, no, the baby are home because we are government in waiting. We are now a basabasa. I'm a fool say, oh, crown, you're ready.
When you're ready.
Until regions may catch it all. The only thing I tell people say, main reason I'm here to party is say we come together. Now yet to me, I wrestle power from other people here they are running a country. You know, executive more ban, one me judge according to their works. The more you know, fair deal of 4 seats, the Western region. Executive here, which is chaired by the Natukunumba and want me a mama, Yaji for account. Until Obia or wrestle power from them, I should think say. The message is Obana Obameyanya another 4 account. Yes, idea. These people have moved them from 4 to 8. They have promised to add more. It's when they wait on the my promises when me ba may say, where are you going to get the money? The meaning answer by Jumadin, me to me a winning seats for Western Region Hall account. Now yet to me Adjei power a free. A year MPP for no. Inti message I'm giving my Western Region for next week.
Okay, so my share share with you. John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, the former president or party leader. Now the only Ghana for Bon Komobi. Now walk us through some common on your boy, your takeouts. Now what's our idea? Now the Danko Akufo Addo. Then come on boy, your takeout, and then let's see how we move this country from where we find ourselves now. And to John North is saying, His Excellency, the former president.
Nina say, Omer who said, why you be paying? Omer who said the child, no challenges for and how he navigated a matter of far, quite bisua, uyi free. I'm a World Bank, nay, I'm if you now predicted, say, the next year, no, Yebenya growth, massive growth, and Panso, eventually he lost the elections. There's predictions near the year. If a trouble gas plant, investment or in gas and energy, any other areas, prediction that say beba ema yenya growth. Ampanso yenya whereby no kasano odikai eka say president emeka the nation no because in crisis say me who say ebia ni ho ya jankade ne nam na obia e drope if you bia na o twinu kwan o no afa plane no na mu na finance also o ko ba bi obi a man nti o can say no president at this time we need direction omekasa nyame ado as a president achie abekasa na osan so e can say yen twa expenditure so yen cut expenditure no enra president o ka say me cut the o ka say 30% cut na no ministers ni ade a president Mahama o ka say no to say no yen lean government from 125 and so above fem kakra but still no over 100 ministers no too much o ka say on twa so because ye only the salary but when you make count nyina a draining country no and so be citizens who say no the president is doing something sometimes your money now be save no but the idea say president who say no say na ye obia austerity no ye nyina ye no eno o kan hwasem o san so o kan say corruption na do mro wo opposition oni vice president o me de no o say enne no wa ba no corruption fede as very yen just be bia PDS na ba scandal onu cash for seat no bust bebre ni nyina ya president no sweep under the carpet o hwe auditor general's report afie by sikaya said wo ho no president what is he saying about it on can hwenti Mahama ka say on tackle corruption na o tackle ho na e be solve problem bi ye hwe on any time o cha say so tackle binum onu ani ministers ebinum eko jail ni ade e first o can say sa loans na ye gi no ye hwe say loan ye be gi no e di fa so be bre yen loans no eno na aboy fam bebrebe ye gi loan ye hu de ye na a fizzle out ya check ni didi I say consumption ni didi o can say sa de na ye no ye hwe ni ye o sa ka say loans ye ko ye yina no ye statutory yin na ye dia a collateralize collateralization che say ye de ye sika bia ye gigi no yina ye dia ko siawa
ye siawa the get fund
go siawa we ko siawa e de say no sa sika nyina na be ba no ani e siawa ma ye di wo ye sade ya unya gi sika no bulk sika no wo no adi awie obi afi say ebi ho na be 10 years 15 years time taxes ye be giri nyina nyina ko bi ho eno so em say o kan hwasem o ka say ye kana sise amene ye no e kamene ye me twintua president ne nkro for montrase na omo restructure as a restructure ye say o be ko negotiation ba secretary ne o be trase no ahwe say bosia ne ye bo no e say ne ye betua ye twintua ye plan e be ya e betwin de tua no ye ho easy se say sky be giri nyina no yi levy odi ade mbo dawro yi levy be solve your problem yi levy be me a rosa yi levy be ma enyama bebre wa odi ade bia problem e wo man mu nyina na ka yi levy be solve se no ye hu se no enya de a ye no kore enti o ka kire se no ye hwe yi bosia ne ye bo no na ye ntrase ne ye plan kwan a ye be fa so ye tua ye restructure sa ne ye na ebi ho a omitie say president Mahama or the two so see hwe na o ka say nka on sake finance minister no because Mahama time o man no asesa on sake okura oye reshuffle na obi a ba bi ho a wayin ye wa bre wa ya ama wa dwen na kosi ba bi enti ye ma ko another place a ebi na you be good there obunso a na oyi kro for president we ba idea so far ni kro fo nyina ye wa na obebo ma baso womo na rani mani ya e mani dia kosi baabi nti da o ka se omo bomodi no e wa hi agric ye say atonsuom also obegina wa president finance minister oba wa president ade so say no ye bibi anyeye nti o ka se onhwe no nsesa especially the finance minister ko ye say e ba yina sometimes uyi ni pana a stability ba cause Ghana fo nyina hu say finance minister the probably na nya ono na ye nyina ya die ne se ono na ye e say loans ogi loan bia onya ho faso ni data bank no e na oye negotiation ni ade nti o percentage obaji it more or less no sabosia ye nya o e de okoji ni onya ne percentage any a friend conflict of interest no Osha insurance companies are. They said insurance companies enterprise no. On a government na odiama wa omo insure. Enti nipa bia wa hire ye. Okaso onko IMF. Emra NDC ko ya mba ya omo standing na omo free. Oye kenke party. Enu kura sika twiri dia oyi no wo ayi coffers mu odi ye kenke party. Yes. Sika twiri dia
kenke party dia say akoka sika.
Kenke party. Ah! Obatu dwa.
Kenke party dia ka twiri kenke say.
Kenke no.
Kenke.
Wo kenke no. Kenke na kese ni eye na gusu njina ma na gusu.
It ujudi ni say John Mahama, His Excellency, the former president. Etimidi nyoma gu akwan mu a isusu se sankie fa as oman Ghana. And then such a buy an amuntu, Sikasemu, your Jumami, Abrabom Bibia.
A bit of making, said Yami Muboss in expenditure cuts, a year corruption, a year.
Ministers, who present original saying.
Ministers, Mia Momudia, Minam year leader, president of Ghana, me for more than 40 ministers. More than 40, no, me Momudia. Because we share a big countries near the idea. Ministers, the structure no, and a year Juma. Minister de Kwame Nkrumah time ye coach kukura ni etwi gu yetrim minister of we say Mojabi Dauna ni enim nipa be say 12 of say no yetwi twiku yet enne me ye MP ministers no ka say mobo emu 10 kura mi because cho ntimi amom de say Ghana ye economy na kese na say ya expend ya emom de e ka me de nka 40 ebi ono because of cronyism no. And at least on family bear 70.
Now for 70 abusiasem.
Now for 70 abusiasem. A do didn't know where shaha. A do my way post. A do the way shahano. Into what could man say? At least bear 70. Now we don't need all these ministers because you were directors near the end. Directors near the end. Or mutumi and the Bayer Dumano. Minister near figurehead. Oh, one. And she and no or presidential staffing. Flag staff household. You can want some kind tell mom over 1,000 workers in the good side a danke to a shame on gum. Oh, cockra now pimobi. That room call just on Namwa here. Nipana Busua, my own Namwa, Yaka Krebna, or Yabapim what of him. Oh, my day. What sounds were ministers so? What sounds were for special advisors and a way go Ninano a say or Mansika. And not Mahama a can was him. And now Busiana Bono. Busiano reckless borrowing. I can't be.
You know, we are not free. His Excellency another danko Akufo Addo. What did you say? All mouse and crash, all mouse said yes in the acquire your first. They are not free no.
In fact, Emrade Mirahui Pa say Uchi President, your work crisis more. Obey a campaign. Campaign message Namati. Nanado danko. Ah. The man never changes. On the sun. Still adamant. If you want crisis, or cut 2028, 2024. 2028. What is 2024? The project in 2028. How come? President, your crisis, more. Oh, can somehow cut 2028? Breaking the 8 now, say a woman or repeat 2028 is about be one year careful to auntie. Also, a debt to GDP will be reduced by to 55% in 2028 by 2028. Okay. And now I say taxes there by 2020. Say, hey, never pay what's from there now. Now some of the campaign message. One district, one factory, one village, one dam. Now, one see what is answer. Yeah, what you can one village, one dam, actually, one D, one F. And their school feeding now, why increasing and nurses allowance. Yeah, that is not one important. Sunny man, why you say, yeah, but say, was summation of all policies near the end, and a diabetes. Why do you go back to remind us?
It's much ado about nothing.
Nothing. When you are in some kind and fuck when
but who cry no amount crash be.
Oh, the
man will need that so be.
Now, Obremo, they say, yeah, Oko hospital, we need. We are now hospital, doctor. What is the best? You can say, doctor, we or your best.
You know the man,
you know. No, the diagnosis.
Say yade ni no ma ho aduru
say doctor ni tu kwa brochira ye ma oduru ba ato oduma diagnose wa ekwa aduru de sam smith mi ama mi ti ya makoto para APC bia na nye no ba okwa brochira ye ma oduru ba heart o ko hospital bia be 1 week na ma oduru
because
they take pains to make sure ko mo oduru na duro no pafa ho a you be in trouble nti on be make sure who cry mo oduru no to make sure say they have come to the conclusion say yare we ya mo oduru enti nanado a man ya say no be kan wa ma diagnosis they all can say coronavirus Ukraine war the world France Saline UK say what does that got to do with us meaning France one Saline unim ba fire de ba won obi nyaduma kra every month still they pay the person oko UK they pay the person so you can't compare the two what be jina na a man say only there he never did anything wrong go na do nra kasa kasa no just say the government nin anything wrong e dia bedru say bosia wabo edware wiom or high planes edinam wiom ya kan nyina no emfa no or high plane nam wiom emfa no corruption PDC ya kan emfa no nti onim se sanya make kan ho na e dia bedru ommoso na fe okoka coronavirus obeka Ukraine war obeka we obe repeat sanya me ya kire they say you have not even diagnosed the problem until nothing will change. I don't who say no. My buying bass no. Yaye way. Now we are going to stop those things. My finance minister will borrow too much. Me say borrow no. Now we are going to put into a productive venture. Me president play na me final ya kan mean 18,000 pounds per hour na. A fed my grounding play no.
Now ko nya sa figure anyway.
18,000 or you can wa very few.
Na ko boss the utirima kan.
Wa very few. That is the figure.
Send that signal.
That is the figure.
No, as we speak, there's no communication officially on that matter. Now so 18,000. But that is not the case. There be mini intimi you cannot be emphatic with the figure. It only DDT, not one common.
Or high expensive plane.
Good.
Or say pursue very room. No, the good yam bro.
O can say no say and yen sanity. What that
plane by one penny idea womb empa idea womb any
he's not solving our problems for us. He's rather
solve it or buy the Quebec plane on high bill. They will say you are serious. Oh, to quite 40 V8 ne do what you know. They will not do that again.
I said sarcastic. You say members of parliament, friends, family.
What signal are you sending to the people? Sometimes no, the signal no. What's a man for entitlement?
Why don't I paint a picture as if say Ghana yaman penny abako nyina. I don't know to crisis. This is the worst crisis a country. This is the worst times the world has also gone through. The world.
Ghana.
But we are not an
island.
We are a part of the world.
So president or high plane, special plane the call. Other countries say no your dollar outside America I don't know almost dollar ni shooting the tough him. Yet they are the worst performing currency in the world. Oh, can world that? Why are we the West? Why are we the West? Ivory Coast, Togo, in our the banks in Ghana, you are the worst performing currency in the world. And yet less title, Minia, until you come and compare the world. You near break. Minia, you near break, papa, near Kenya. Mama Jam compare France, but compare when you people are dying. Oh, now President of the actually I say France, Croatia say, wait, say. And
okay.
And then let us wait. So I say Ukraine war in your ND you. Russia Ukraine war in your ND. And then you shouldn't do anything. Because no matter what you do, no war no was so there and you break.
Okay, let's about my
as a papa make country. If promises near the end obey promise.
Those are promises.
Promises. And no one can be a promises. 2020 again train. Minia, who bet me a train at 2028?
Daniel ni quarter titles.
Yeah, brother, near you.
Unya daddy.
4 more, no. I got 2 more. Then you be 2 more.
Jamia do me. You better not say. Never know.
Unya bibidi.
You better say in such a case here.
Unya bibidi.
Akufo Addo buy me to be
oh, I grab the financial.
Wakasa ye. Mamizo nkasa.
Oh, minia.
Wakaza nya fata me.
Can be to me so me can
Ni kwata titles global.
It's almost about
Wakaza
80 minutes.
Kwachinu
Please, calm down.
Campaign, man. When you got my father.
Confirming that. Meti akapa. Na ubisa question say aso asem na mampeni Akufo Addo kan no. Wa ho ade bakokra wo mu a ebeboa. Ye tibra ye wo mu sese no. O se David because he wants to be partisan all the time. Na me free bibia owura mahama e kasa nanu no a the kasa ni bi no edu baby no to makoma so. He spoke like a statesman. But me who ex-president Mahama say he's trying hard to rebrand himself. He's rebranding. Na obi aye ni wodi we ye de nkura ye nim. Ye nim aye nim. So that rebranding posture na o penti di akere ye no engo si baby a.
You ntimi na ne.
Dabi. Me de bezaka o tie ni ye ba. You see,
what do you mean? Na
wa me kasa.
Na wala na do asisa.
Sa hypocrisy.
Campaign chat message no dey mai. Ene ya ma momi di.
Maba odi ba. Go call me director. You see that hypocrisy of the former president. Mboano. We go Harvard University. In Mawakwenya, a platform. Be kasa by the impact and effect of this COVID and this war. Ukaya eka situations are among mine including Africa, where there's a lot of pressure on the economies, budget overruns, unnecessary expenditure because of situation na woman. I heard the ukasa ye, but we do krumpe, not politics, are clouded with judgment. When you do that, you're being hypocritical. You're not being fair to yourself. What do you say? Na the cousin no accuse you of buying say or collapse banks. Na that yeah. These banks under your watch. Who can give you one Governor Bank of Ghana. 82. The president Bama or customer say papa you free one. You collapse 82 banks. Deposit a sika de wom kran won trend their mom. Including workers severance. And your cancer say so it took President Akufo Addo's government to come and pay all these, if anything, deposits at their mom. 4.6 million deposits. And they demand for you. So when you make that attack on President Akufo Addo, we need to okay, you can say public sector employment. Or attacking is it Bonize? And kwala mo US schools na wo say ya absorb wo in public sector jobs no ma amapena go for the nyana Debbie me also been in nyadwe and media I will not go the tangent at which is going now this for including mama can say our currency is the worst form of currency. I disagree. We be a friend international financial systems 15 different currencies are Bloomberg Ejiatum. Are you saying the Zimbabwe dollar is stronger than Ghana cedi? When you have a whole member of parliament on the national television talking like this, that Zimbabwean dollar is stronger than a currency, then excuse me, I have a problem. I have a problem with you. JP Morgan, last week, one of the social media colleagues, that has cost us where we are today. That is where we have cost us. JP Morgan said, let us have faith in our currency. Now, who say radio so? We speak a West currency. Now we need a new soup and new buy is contributed to it. You happy? Now we are happy. Would you say, hey, dollar, don't see the thing, dollar, about 20 Ghana cedis. And you are happy, cancer in some way. When you say cancer now, cano, but you see, and no namiti o mampeding Akufo Addo. A pro now calling in a commence over critically. Or jitum se Ghana ye sikasem ene niama ekoso wo yafa nyan e bia kayen Ojetum say, in fact, we are in difficult times. As a mampeni, the economy, and what's our sounds economy. Until recently, from Ashanti region to Eastern region, we are called Upper East, we are Upper West, Baba Savannah, we are Northern region, we are Volta region. Clearly, he communicates to us a culture and say, Minimum Ghana said the Nyamese Kono, and boy, and one say, what to Abason, the ancient point Mefasoa, a better Sanamono. And for me, for him to admit, and yet, your mama never catch up as Akufo Addo only in Bekasa. Nanado has his program as and when he want to speak to us, only in Bekasa. And he said, who is over here? Now, we can't Kasa. Let's just say you've compared Akufo Addo to come and talk. No. You want to be populist, go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Or did not track with you. He feels the heat. Then she shall not do to a quemo come before a boy in Yanano, and no air canoe. And some men your kaye. Or say, Dedikai. About Yesika Sem into Tiano in terms of how Bank of Ghana supervision heading. Last week, Forest Bureau is based in Yazibaku Marina Mall and Baku Airport. We share said transact Forex now and not shit. So quickly they have to close them down and withdraw their licenses because their operations is impacting negatively in Ejuma no Moyano.
But what is that supposed to mean? Or can't me here? Oh, yeah.
It's not nice. You understand? And he says, no, supervision, I was a Forest Bureau. I was a Mueding. Now, Bank of Ghana, Emma Commercial Bank, you say, Obibiara open Forex, Ediakoye Jumano, Mushisho Muyepa. A lot of people are looking at speculation and panicking near $100, no? Kwajako Tii. Or two kind or come black market. Manso no what $10 like shedding passing. Who president? President. Shedding passing. President. President because or so lazy say. Or see dollar see the number no one passing. You understand? Who president passing? Who come down? President passing. Me say who come pass here? $2. Meanwhile who for dollar obi wo wa $1 yi gutafo bi e dey akodi who's shon passing. President wants to be lazy. President you need the number. President you need the number. Shut up and let me flow. Catch the president you need the number. Now what could this say e dey akoshe won passing. Meanwhile because you are being lazy who need na $1 ni be nti who person sika enyini is one price shoot to easy money now why you scared film you are not helping the cause. And the president catch and say ye man ye nan enye ntitia to make supervision eye. Or see president come about in the heat of the COVID no one say appointees of government every reduce salary by 30%. Yeah. Or that's so edge now. So they should continue. Government expenditure but abasa. Government expenditure is also about 30%. Said your expenditure na ye no e be hwede adwum akrom yie na e be ma sika sem no atodo ye ediamaye. Okan we no ka say the toso biom so ye ni ye any subain. One D1F na ebano. It is one of the initiative I have seen in this Fourth Republic. A president and his government is spearheading the participation of private sector on the import substitution. Kwame Nkrumah edi factories by. Any yatunto ni nyina amangasa na muto ni nyina e wo kromwa. We know what happened. But so we share private sector nechi. The the raw materials or the ba. We give tax paper be very free ho. We money credits or they go see factories. Yeah, fruit juice. Come fruit juice. Mineral water. So you create your budget back room. When you toothpick. Come 10 minutes. So the import substitution drive now Mampeni Diabano. And then is over 127 factories. Tiles, floor tiles, this is an Ebi or Shama. Why do you have to waste our time and travel all the way to China? Are you equal quality? So clearly, is a way who won't affect in there. You are not seeing the effect today, but clearly it is addressing the impact of imports. Excessive importer, you buy a cromwa. Okay, baby about pottery. You be the pa, you are pay your bay. Now we can be. So frozen, anything, frozen chicken. And let's see how we can have a whole big time pottery. We call a brown area. They are very good in the poultry.
Doma.
Ishisheben and yedibe so masering. So we'll be able to promote this poultry. We'll limit down the importation of frozen poultry products. Yedibe krumwa. When nya yes ishena eboye. Eboye wo. No mbampeni ka say no. Adiba. Oh, mama, would you thank you?
Mini.
Una we time.
Mini sani.
Enyewu.
10 minutes.
Enyewu na we time keeper mama yin ko brazant you. Edu ko branso de o say ye bia no.
We ka say ya wo se we ka.
E dia maye. What does here?
35 to 45.
Who can we so speculators leading to panic.
Boni pe husa.
Amampeni before being address or share gutafo or share TUC4, Association of Bankers, Association of Forex, Market Queens, GPITU, and the transport operators. These are movers and shakers of our economy. Oh, no, look, the situation we find ourselves on, and declaring what yet to say we are not in normal times. We're in the very difficult challenge. And the Mumbai was also na IMF in Shishena or the Eco Shemono. Your balance of payments, you may need to get come on. Now, media boy. And for me, I see him say, and yet the end is if come because your mama the can say, Akuko Sakura and Yakumafe. There is nothing that President Akufo Addo would do that would please NDC. Because opposition in Asia, no, heat in the war, no, and so. And for us, we are focused, we are backing the president, we are supporting him. And when she said, Bia, or the tuna kwemo, said the Ebama Yan, no, Ebeboy. Wouldn't him say, we need $1, you don't need to go and buy it. And then gradually, no, so from kakran, your prayer, Ebia Sida. Quite fast, or ye free COVID imuno. Sana mean we GD when you say, or better than a free challenges you come when you go all over. I'll give you a video, minimum marker. Omo can say there is this very social media video. This Russian-Ukraine war no impact on their bar. Egypt, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, Tunisia. 45 out of 125 countries, we are 45 in Africa. 25 in Asia and the rest in Latin America about the impact of this global challenge in Yanyefumi. So we are not limited to the fact say it's because of mismanagement anyway they see. What is going on globally, Ghana is not an exception. Okay. And when you are in this MP, any president Mama Betrasi, I was able to Krano, who can have a platform, who can be Fufro, Uba Ukroma, now to a Yampia. It is not helpful. Right. Where we have reached now, we need cool heads. Sika Mpedede. Sika Mpedede. Money doesn't like noise. You know who said this thing and I heard it? Sabrina NDC for Professor Bayer. The first finance minister. Before. Who can say no? Go and refer. Go and check. Or no can say first. Sika Mpedede. And the Munja Diamoye no.
Oh, Kachaka.
Yes. Akufo Addo Semina was a repeat blame game. They are blaming everybody. President who blame traders, or blame speculators, or blame foreign exchange black marketeers, or blame except himself. You are the president of the country. The president here, they are showing sir. You know should be biaso. No jai madian asaya. If you blame a trader, say on the prices no more no money. Hey, are we not in a free market economy? Where be say dollar? Why people are rushing for dollars? And I make a change meaning say, Opia, Uncle President Akufo Addo Nimpanse. Boxes are. But Mama, your president. Mama, your president.
We are solving a national problem.
Yes. Look at the way it's talking. No, or come say, no, my sister dollar. Look at the way you're talking. Say, me ordinary citizen. No president, no leader.
Let's not encourage the hoarding of dollars.
Yes.
Well, we don't deal with.
But isn't that a fact?
It's a fact.
People are
it's a fact. Because it's a demand and supply. A trading, a dollar no see a trading. So tonnas will be sika uma. I don't know $1 no. These things you can't stop them.
So you see can ye
fundamental. Exactly. Now I don't know Baumia. Okay, I say yenja scan pekasa. The famous quote of Baumia. I say you can do all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weaker, the exchange rate will expose you. And now can Wama Sassemia may you mantra country. And then the say as I dare say I'm yanka. Make me a coach near me about me. I say that time, I say we have arrested the position of the city. No, cause we arrested or the IGP, and now can there one. And now I say decision to increase price of petrol is insensitive. And someone can only nanado in some more position of kind. And at the old by me can say a city na that time no your opposition leader or in the vice no more body day city call 3.5 or so TB that lectures upon lectures but me lectures are not call a no then and then they will say sikam pekasa yebekasa on and the mean nana dem no kasa e fe de hope nyina de abegina IMF so IMF ya mo so ese mo nkohoyi e fe de omo de omo ayi nyina abegina so eniano this man was very hollow wanka cathedral ho asem yeti hata bia omahene me tramika cathedral ho asem ayi kwa structures no mo ye na plan no mo ye $21 million gone waste ni e ka say no you are wasting the country's money no so how you be bompaye enne sidina agye say omo bompaye wa so de yan hwese be ya these are things are as president you know what take care ama man ya bofam ubaya unka ho asem kura so how are you going to solve the problem intra me catch say o yare ko hospital doctor first e do hu yare no na what president onye hu say ani ma boni na mo ye no e na me abedru say u blame Ukraine war is yenye wie yo na je say Russia be wie on 3 weeks ade na ekoyi until say Russia Ukraine war be end no na o pa kire say we shall be in this situation COVID by yen who say advantage my IMF no World Bank come the my that time your currency is stabilizing before the COVID no o man ko retreat wo dollar no muna mo ye unkai say mo peduase na eno na dey na COVID na they went there because to the dollar na jinsam after Mahama ni structure na ye na 2017 2018 ye stabilizing after that o man fa policy bi ama na dollar started say ehuri no ko na COVID ni ho and say chance na COVID by ye nya injection into the system no enema currency ni stabilizing rather COVID was a blessing to us sikadodo omugigi ye amanfo sikawdi mai have they been able to account for oba parliament or say ye aduane so million way scan of film asa account to create no na enhia so the COVID was rather good for us COVID he try me I say COVID also yade COVID you dey nya speeches na ma enro na ba ekura mu didi ho enro COVID $9 we ko fa ba twa $19 health minister about parliament or say na on thinking right so what did you do
okay first
what did you do about COVID boy obi ene obi na Sputnik no obi na yo ene ye koto ya mo sa so twa ya ene COVID free we dey CDI
me ya se kwachiaka o kan o so ono de question ni answers no me ya no ye always trying to go outside them.
Oh, outside why?
Oh, family.
Me I am family. Me kasa me modi. Usu kasa na obo midi. Who person that creative?
Who said wa question na wa be answer. Babana, whether we like it or not, Ghana is never an island. I say the sebi their echoes in ano because of political expediency. Ube kata wedding and waso. Na munim and this munim said the echoes. And you're gonna penny one. But that is a tangent you want to go. So we'll leave that for you to do your politicking out of that place. Said the President Akufo Addo, or do you feel COVID no? And run at you crying. We are seeing this challenge not as a way to defeat us as a nation. But the Beshe young crying, I'm a near man show the Guaquemono. The Mabuano, oh, you free. I said, Baquam, you free, and this Voba Kaya. Some of their tabloids and their parachikits, including some of the NDC MPs and their friends. Kase, IMF yakumu ubekaya. Government, if any say bonds, any treasury bills, any pension funds, is going to suffer. This is a very profound statement. Or see, under no circumstance, say government bonds, treasury bills, any pension funds is going to be attached. Oh, Femodin. Femodin, you know that.
Oh, Jai.
Femodin. Please, there is no way they're going to touch this. Because my reference said,
why do you do that? President Imam Kwashe was Okasa Ujidi. Now, President Kasa Yini.
Track record.
Track record. Hey, please.
Woman Kasa, please.
Who did my time?
Who said track record? Who said track record? Track record.
Manrapap.
Oh, no, Rakpo.
Yeah, Manrapap.
Now, Dagasa.
Namie.
Okay, quite. Me say, such statement no man Pineko for Kayano. It's very profound. Because Yanisa and Kofo investment on my year. Also, they will start to go and withdraw. Of course. And yes, sir. And no, my reference here. Among for you, events, banks now collapse on no bad. Deposit funds, you could even pay. But he appreciates. Says, Sanko for this cano, Yampo Musicano for mom. So he's bent on doing whatever he's going to do. I didn't be a console Kayano. In as much as we are cutting down expenditure, or say, revenue mobilization. And then Usha contribution of revenue to GDP is about 13%. In the ECOWAS zone, revenue generation is 18%. And how do the target? Kwa ebe faso a GRA ebe nishisheya ebe gu akwemu a Ghana fo benye hunti asiye na eto no yeto ne kakran de amano. So there's not going to be any haircut. Whatever investment that would be a good one, a bebuano, and never come.
Okay,
NDC and JDM, stop being hypocritical. Don't go to Harvard and go and preach virtues, and when you come to Ghana, you come and preach vice.
Thank you so much for your time.